Has this ever happened to you? You feel wired, but then so tired. And then you crave sugar, and on top of this, you wake up at 3 a.m. Well, let me tell you, this is probably because your hormones might be out of balance. I'm not saying this is always the case, but it could be. And one mineral that plays a huge role in fixing all of this is called magnesium. Now we're going to explain why. So magnesium helps your body manage the cortisol. This is your main stress hormone. And I'm just going to explain to you what happens when magnesium is low into your body. And I've been reading through researches that 1/3 of population is low in magnesium. And we're going to go through this together. So a little hint why some people are low in magnesium is maybe they're drinking too much coffee. Not that coffee is bad for you, but sometimes when we have too much, because caffeine acts as a mild diuretic. This means that it's going to make your body go to the bathroom and urinate more often. And when this happens, it makes your kidney release more water, and along with that, you lose electrolytes, especially magnesium. Another reason also that people are low in magnesium is when they eat processed food. And let me explain you why. Whole food, like the nuts, the seeds, the grains, the greens, all of those are naturally rich in magnesium. But when manufacturers either refine and process them into those little packaged snacks or whatever food that we buy that is already done for us, most of them have at least 80 to 90% of the magnesium that has been removed. So obviously a diet high in processed food automatically means you will have low magnesium intake. Magnesium calms your stress. It's kind of like a response system. So when you do face a stressful event, your HPA, which I'm not going to say in English because I'm going to butcher it, but I'm just going to write it here. So your HPA axis kicks in. It's your body's command center to release cortisol and adrenaline. So when this happens, then the magnesium helps regulate this system by calming the nerve cells in your brain and preventing overactivation. So when your magnesium is low, then your HPA axis stays on. And this is leading to chronically elevating your cortisol levels. And as we know, when the cortisol stays high from constant stress, caffeine, poor sleep, then your body goes into this survival mode. And then you will have a higher blood pressure, sometimes even stubborn belly fat and anxiety. For some people, magnesium will help regulate cortisol and stress and also help them manage their anxiety. And you can boost it naturally with foods such as spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, or even magnesium glycinate supplements. So when you do balance your cortisol, that means better sleep, steadier energy, and less strain on your heart. Stress doesn't just live in your mind, it also lives in your body. So you need to support it. So I know you've got this. Till the next one. Tolu.